Hey guys, today is Thursday, May 7th, and this is Mrs. Carr, and I'm here for your rundown on science. So today we're going to watch this fun short video. It says it's fun short video about butterflies. And I know butterflies are pretty cool, so because they can do this camouflage thing, that's just pretty neat. See? Ooh, there you go. It already looks good. So I'm already excited. I'm going to come back and watch this when I'm done, by the way. All right, so then we're going to read this article. And this is a SimScopes article. This should look familiar to you. And so then endangered dragonflies released. And then here you go. Here's an article, Science Today. There we go. And then when you're done, you're going to answer these questions. Please make sure you are referencing this article. So leave this article open as you are answering these questions. Please do not go and Google it and then try to copy and paste into the discussion post. Guys, that doesn't work, and we always know if you're not reading the article. So please make sure you're reading the article. If you need to use Google to look up a word or a definition or to clarify meaning on something, that's totally fine. That's what Google is for. It's not there for you to copy and paste answers. So please be clear about that. But those discussion post questions, sorry guys, that's not what I wanted you to see. Those discussion post questions will be right here, labeled butterfly adaptations or something to that effect. And then that's it for today. You can do these CER. These are I claim statements, but you don't have to. This is just extra if you have extra time on your hands. But you would be doing claim evidence reasoning. So I claim the answer is this. I know this because here. And so those are what a claim evidence reasoning is. And so, anyways, what structural adaptation helped the mallard duck survive in its environment? So that's the duck there. Anyway. All right, guys. And that's it for today. Video, article, answer your questions. If you guys have any questions, please make sure you're utilizing Teams. Chat with us, video with us. If you still can't find Teams, guys, if you're still not logged on, please use the video, the how-to video posted in your Schoology account. If you still don't know how to get to Teams, please utilize the video posted in your Schoology account. All right, guys, and that is it for today. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.